Hello, Storm Debi swept eastwards on Monday, bringing some of us some very strong winds. You can see this hook of cloud and rain. It was on the southern edge of this hook where we saw a swathe of very strong winds across parts of Northern Ireland, North Wales and North West England. In fact, it looks like Blackpool may have seen its strongest wind gust in nearly 10 years. There was quite a lot of rain around as well.
The Met Office has warned that a week's worth of rain could fall in just a few hours across southern England today. It's issued a yellow weather warning, which comes just a day after other parts of the UK, such as Whitehaven in Cumbria, which you can see here, were battered by Storm Debi.
Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. It's looking unsettled. In fact, the forecast for today is one of heavy downpours, but there'll also be some sunshine mixed in there as well. But some of the downpours will be squally, and we're also looking at some thunder and lightning.
Good morning. The Met Office has a yellow weather warning in place for thunderstorms, valid through to midday today. Could be seeing 15 to 20 millimetres of rain in the heavier downpours, and they're going to be accompanied by a strong gusty wind.
Now, some sky gazers in the UK have been lucky, haven't they? They've caught a glimpse of the Northern Lights in the last few weeks. We've shown you pictures on this programme, but take a look at this.
This is next level.
Yeah.
Wow. This was captured by a pilot flying over Canada on his way from San Francisco to Lisbon. It was taken at 30,000 feet. It's a time lapse made from nearly 2,000 images. But just look at that. How did he have time to take that when he was flying a plane?
Are you concentrating? No, I'm sure he is.
But that's stunning, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Carol,
absolutely gorgeous.
Carol's had some fantastic images from you of the Northern Lights over the last few weeks. But Carol, this morning, I guess it's sort of wet, miserable pictures mainly, is it?
For some of us, yes, John, but there is some sunshine in today's forecast as well. Good morning, everybody. This morning, there's some sunshine in the forecast, but we also have some heavy and potentially thundery downpours as well. And although it's not as windy as it was yesterday, it's still fairly blustery, particularly in the southern half of the country.
Car roof on or off, Carol?
Depends where you are, John. Some of us will definitely be keeping it on because there are some heavy downpours in the forecast.
Carol often gets your lovely pictures of the Northern Lights, and you've got a lovely autumnal shot for us this morning.
Absolutely right. Both counts, John. Yes, and thank you for always sending in your pictures. Good morning. Today's weather is really mixed. Some of us will see some beautiful autumnal sunshine, but for others, we're looking at some heavy downpours.